Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make soft, fluffy and very delicious puff puff, also known as Nigeria puff puff. This recipe is simple, quick and perfect for breakfast snacks or pastry. I will show you all the tips, make it rise well, fry perfectly, taste amazing. Let's get started. If today is your first time, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, like, and drop your comment. Please watch to the end. Thank you. Enjoy this simple recipe.